Good morning, dear students and parents. I hope you're all doing good. Yes, now you are watching EduStar Class 6 Social. Dear students, already you are completed 2 chapters in the Geography classwork note. So, maximum of you wrote well and you submit it back to the mail and get a correction back. You are done a very good job. Good. Keep it up. So, like that, in this OPE video, you are going to write History chapter 1 and 2 in your classwork note. So before going to the topic, see what is the first lesson in the history. Chapter 1, what, where, how and when. So in this lesson, we are already discussed so many points. Let us have to remember that. So what are the important points are there? The first one, knowing about the past. Then where did people live? Then names of the land. Then about inscriptions and manuscripts. Then archaeologists and about historians. Then one past or many. And last, letters with date. So these are all the some of the important points we already discussed in the chapter 1. Yes. Now all of you take one of the classwork note, that is 80 pages note. Take one new note. In that first page, you properly write your name, class and write history classwork. Then you take one new page. So in that, you properly write date and day. Then leave that red line. So from the next line, you start to write chapter 1, what, where, how and when. Already told in the past videos, you should write with black stick and blue stick. So in the video, what are the letters are in the bold, you should write with black stick and other with blue. Keep that in your mind. Yes. Now all of you write the heading, chapter 1, what, where, how and when. So after writing the heading, leave one line and choose the correct answer. Then leave one line and write the first question. What is the first question? About 2500 years ago, cities were developed on the banks of the river Dash. Write the 3 options: Narmada, Ganga, Yamuna. And leave one line, write the correct answer, Ganga. And like this, write the following questions. So each and every question, you leave one line and write neatly. Now the second question. So after writing this, move to the third one. After writing the choose it, leave one line and write the heading filling the blanks. See the first one. Manuscripts were usually written on dash palm leaves. So then leave one line and write the second question. Inscriptions were written on hard surfaces. Yes. So after writing this, write the third Roman letter, match the following. And leave one line and write the question and answer very neatly. So match it already. It is in your book. Please refer page number 9 in your history book. Yes. So after writing the match the following, next to write the fourth Roman letter, answer the following questions. So in that, leave one line and write the first question. What is the first question? List one major difference between manuscripts and inscriptions. Leave one line and write the answer. After writing the first one, leave one line and write the second question. Write the difference between historian and on archaeologist. Yes. So up to that, the first lesson get over. So after completing the first lesson, take one new page. Okay. And now you are going to write the second lesson in the same classwork. Yes. What is the second lesson? Chapter 2, from hunting, gathering to growing food. Yes. So in this chapter also, we already discussed some of the important points. So let we have to remember that. Yes, what are that? First about hunters and gatherers. Then why hunter and gatherers move from place to place. The 4 reasons are there. Right, we already studied that. Next, factory sites. Next, habitation come factory sites. Then about making stone tools. Then find out about fire. Then a changing environment. Then about Paleolithic, Mesolithic and Neolithic. At last a closer look and see. So these are all the important points we already discussed in history chapter 2. Yes. Now all of you take a classwork note. Take one new page and as like you have to write date and day neatly, then leave that red line. So as the same way you have to write the heading chapter 2, from hunting, gathering to growing food. After writing the heading, you just write the first Roman letter, choose the correct answer and leave one line and write the first question. Dash is a technique used to make stone tools, and write the 3 options: pressure flaking, melting, crushing. So leave one line and write the correct answer, pressure flaking. Yes, like the same way you have to write the following questions and write the second question. After completing choose it, you leave one line and write the filling the blanks. The first question and the second question. Yes, after writing the filling the blanks, write the answer the following questions. So here only 2 questions are there. Write the first question and leave one line and write the second question. So up to this, the second lesson will get over. So after completing chapter 1 and chapter 2 in your history classwork note, take a clear photo and you have to send it back to the mail ID edustar.6@gmail.com. Dear students, you have to write neatly, clearly, without any spelling mistake, and you have to take a clear photo and you have to send it back to the mail ID edustar.6@gmail.com. Yes. Thank you, dear students.